Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Nova Sadiani. I am from English Education Department 2018, and here I would like to present you about academic journal. The title is Implementing WebQuest Technique and Optimizing Reading Strategies to Improve Students' Reading Comprehension. And this research was written by Anggri Arbrian, Dewi Roh Santiningsih, and Abdul Asif from English Education Department of Teacher Training and Education Faculty 11 Maret University Surakarta. And this research is divided into 5 parts. The first is abstract, the second one is research and methodology, the third is result and discussion, the fourth is conclusion and suggestion, and the last one is bibliography. And we come to the first part, is abstract. The objectives of the research are: the first is to find out whether and to what extent WebQuest technique improve students' reading comprehension. The second one is to describe the class climate when WebQuest technique applied in reading class. The research data were collected by using techniques of observation, interview, field notes, photographs, and tests, pre-test and post-test. Related to the purposes of the study, the research design used in this study was action research. The research finding shows that the implementation of WebQuest technique could improve students' reading comprehension and class climate of reading class. The research results also indicated that this web-based learning activities could make students more engaged in the learning process. And the keywords of these abstracts are reading, WebQuest, reading strategy, and SMP students. Okay, language has a central role in the development of intellectual, social, and emotional of the students and brings the key to success in learning all fields of study. As one of the language that mostly used in the world, English becomes a tool to communicate in oral and written form. English also uses as instrument for everyone who wants to broaden his knowledge beyond particular national boundaries. Reading is a very important activity in human life. This is due to the fact that most people mostly get information through reading. In this modern era, moreover, when every aspect of human life develops faster and faster, it becomes more essential since the development is recorded and issued through media including printed media. Based on pre-observation and pre-interview in SMPN 1 Wonogiri, there are some problems in reading. Their problems in reading comprehension are also indicated from 2 indicators. The first is students' reading problem and students' climate. The indicators of the reading problem are: the students are unable to catch specific information from the text, the students get difficulties in inferring the implied meaning, the students get difficulties to find the meaning of new vocabularies, the students get difficulty to identify the reference of word in the text, and the last one is some students get difficulties in identifying main idea of the paragraph. The classroom climate indicates the problem as follows. The first one is some students didn't bring the textbook. Some students didn't pay attention to another students who read. The students tends to neglect new vocabularies while and after reading session. The students needs to repeat reading more than twice to understand the text. And the last one is the students spend long time to read short text. So the main problem caused by the students themselves. The students rarely read any other text or books outside the class. The students tend to lose their focuses during the lesson. The students tend to read interesting topic and text form, and the students lack in background knowledge about the text. As an RSBI school, SMPN 1 Wonogiri provides a Wi-Fi network around the school to support the teaching and learning process. The students were also bringing their laptop at the school. Considering the condition, one of suitable techniques in teaching reading to the condition of the teaching learning process at 7A of SMPN 1 Wonogiri is WebQuest and combine it with optimizing the reading strategy to solve their problems indicator in reading. WebQuest technique facilitating the students in learning reading directly to website and provide the authentic material to adapt in daily life. WebQuest technique was also supporting the students' interest on their laptop. So here I would like to introduce about the definition of WebQuest itself. WebQuests are a combination of project-based instruction and innovative use of technology for language teaching and learning. These web-based lessons provide opportunities for learners to be exposed to a variety of authentic texts from the internet. Okay, we come to the second part is research methodology. The method used in this research is action research method. Camis and Taggart in Burns 19 and 33 state that action research occurs through a dynamic and complementary process which consists of four fundamental steps in a spiraling process as follows. The first is planning, action, observation, and the last one is reflection. Okay, the researcher uses some techniques in collecting the data in this classroom action research method. They are as follows. The first one is document analysis. Document includes portfolios of students' work, students' records and profiles, lesson plans, classroom materials, and previous test or examination papers. And the second one is interview. In this research, the interview designed as type of semi-structured interview. The students will be asked some open questions for further information. The third one is observation. The writer observes the student's activity while the teaching learning process is given. The result of the observation can be recorded on observation sheets as a useful stock of the data. And the fourth one is notes and diaries. It is an alternative to field note which will help teacher to reflection on the teaching as it is more subjective and personal than the relatively formalized recordings of note. And the last one is test. The test has been administered 2 times with pre-test and post-test term in the form of individual written test or formative assessment. McKernan in Burns 19 and 99, 156 states that there are 5 stages in analyzing the data. The first step is assembling the data, coding the data, comparing the data, building interpretations, and the last one is reporting the outcomes. The third part is result and discussion. So we come to the first step is pre-research. In order to know the condition of the English class in 7A RSBI, a pre-observation was conducted before implementing the action research. It was found that the most of the students actively use internet for their leisure time but never utilized it in learning, especially for English class. Based on the pre-observation, pre-interview to English teacher, and pre-test to collect the detailed data, it was identified that the students' reading comprehension should be improved. Therefore, WebQuest was used as the teaching learning technique during the reading class. It was used the main sources and the online worksheet which allowed the students to explore their skill. The second step is cycle 1. In cycle 1, it was planned to have two meetings which was conducted twice a week. And then the action. First meeting, the researcher distributes the ebook as a learning media, and the second meeting, the material with specific information and inferring implied meaning. For observation, in the first meeting, the students look interesting with the ebook and active during the lesson. The ebook helped them to solve their difficulties in reading indicators. In the second meeting, it was found that they were interested in the online worksheet while they were asked to do it in front of class. They even could do it at home since they have already had the ebook. And then for reflection, there are still found minor problem in the first cycle that students' confidence was still low when answering questions. It was decided to continue the research with the cycle 2, which focused on reviewing material so that the students' confidence will increase. And then we come to the after cycle 1, the researcher did cycle 2. For cycle 2, the revised plan was about reviewing the material that has been taught that were focused from the difficult material according to students. The use of ebooks still helped to strengthen their comprehension on the material. And then for action in cycle 2, there was one meeting in this cycle since the objective is to increase students' confidence by reviewing the material. And after oral question session, the researcher asked about students' readiness on post-test and they were look optimistic and ready for the post-test. Observation. And then we come to observation. The meeting was conducive since the students prepared themselves to get the lesson. The students were given more chance to discuss with their friends and the researcher. And the last step is reflection for cycle 2. First, the overall reflection about the student reading score shows that there was an improvement on it. After the cycle 2, their mean of students writing test was 93.07. It was higher than previous one is 70.40. And then the class management was better than the prior situation. And then the third one is the students could fully focus on the lesson without any distraction from their laptop. And the last one is the students shared their opinion and understanding of their to their friends and having more practices in reading outside the class. And the next part is about conclusion and suggestion. Okay, I would like to present about the conclusion first. The conclusion from this research are WebQuest is able to improve students' reading comprehension. It is supported by the results of the test scores and the situation of the class. And the second one is WebQuest technique is able to improve situation in the reading class. The class was conducive since the students were interested with the media being used. And then for suggestion, there are three suggestions in this research. The first one is for teacher. The teachers should provide attractive media and appropriate teaching method reading so that the English class commonly quiet interesting for the students. And then for students, the students should be utilize the facilities provided in order to support their learning abilities. The students can use internet to gain more information to increase their comprehension about the material. And the last one, the last suggestion is for institution. For institution, the institution should encourage and support the English teacher to improve the quality of their teaching. Finally, we come to the last part. It is bibliography. That's all from my presentation. Hopefully, this presentation will give you benefit. And sorry if I made a mistake because nobody is perfect, right? Thanks for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.